Do you need to increase your credit fast because you need that new car, that new apartment, or maybe you're trying to buy that new home? Well, check out Grow Credit. Now with Grow, the average user is increasing their credit score by 48 points. And the great part, there's no hard inquiry. Now, if you're new to my channel is designed to help you no matter where you are in your credit journey. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, hit your notification bell so you can be notified anytime I drop a new video. And because hard inquiries can get you denied for credit, I give you a free hard inquiry removal package at my website. And I have other packages for purchase to remove your negative items. You can get all these links. They're always left in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. So let's jump into this information. Now, Grow Credit is designed to help you build your credit score, and it uses your subscriptions in order to do so. And if you have subscription plans like Hulu, Netflix, or even HBO Max, you have to pay these subscriptions if you're using these services. So why not build your credit at the same time? So Grow Credit is allowing you to even use options to build your credit for free. Grow is extremely effective, and the average user increased their credit score by 48 points. This is a great opportunity to increase your credit score. And if you're trying to build credit, having a thin credit profile can get you denied for credit. You should have at least 5 or more accounts reporting on your credit report. Here's how it works. You'll get set up with your Grow Credit account. Then you're going to apply for a Grow Credit interest-free MasterCard and connect your bank account to the Grow Credit account. Signing up is simple and easy. The second part is to add your subscriptions. Grow Credit has a list of over 100 available subscriptions that you can add to your Grow Credit account. Now, your third step is to use your new Grow Credit MasterCard as your method of payment for your existing subscriptions to be paid consistently with your new Grow Credit MasterCard. Then the fourth step is to sit back and watch your credit grow. Your subscriptions are paid with your new card, and your payments are made consistently to contribute to a better credit score. Grow Credit is designed to improve credit factors that matters. Grow Credit builds credit factors that make up 90% of your credit score. So 35% is payment history, 30% is credit utilization, 15% is length of credit history, and 10% is mix of credit. So if you have problems in these categories, Grow Credit can help you improve your credit score by adding this trade line. And so for those who have really high credit card utilization, this can be effective to reduce your credit utilization and improve your payment history. And they report to all 3 of the major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Grow is for everyone, people with no credit scores, low credit scores, and people that's cash strapped. Not everyone can afford to put a $200 security deposit for a secured credit card. Grow Credit requires a $0 or maximum $17 security deposit. So this is great if you don't have the disposable income to put down a security deposit for a secured credit card, and users with less than 5 credit accounts. So as I mentioned earlier, having a thin credit profile can get you denied for credit because it doesn't look like you have a lot of credit experience. With Grow Credit, you get access to your FICO scores, no late fees, no interest, no hidden fees, and exclusive subscription discounts and trials. Now, you can get the bill for free membership by a $17 monthly spend. Now, what that is going to do is report a $204 annual limit on your credit report to boost your credit score. And this is no interest, no late fees, and no hidden fees or no hard credit check. So there's no credit required. Then there's the Bill Secured plan. It's $299 per month with an annual credit limit of $204, and there's a monthly spending of $17 and a $17 secure deposit required. Then you have the Grow membership, which is $4.99 per month, and with the Grow membership, you get an annual reporting of a credit limit of $600 reporting, and that's going to be a $50 monthly spend limit. And then you have the accelerated membership, which is $9.99 per month with a $1,800 annual limit reporting to the credit bureaus. You would have to report a monthly spending of $150, and there's no security deposit required. Now, with the subscription programs, you can actually save if you pay it for the whole year. And with these options, if you're going with the Build and Secure, it will give you an upgrade eligibility after 6 consecutive months, security deposit of $17, and refunded after 12 months of consecutive on-time payments, free financial literacy education, and free access to your FICO score. Now, if you're going to go with the Grow membership, you can get access to premium subscriptions, periodic balance increases, also access to exclusive subscription discount and select partners, free financial literacy education, free access to your FICO score. And if you go with the accelerated membership, you'll have access to premium subscriptions, periodic balance increase, access to education subscriptions, discount on select partners, cell phone bill payment, free financial literacy education, and free access to your FICO scores. Grow Credit is a good option if you're looking to build your payment history, which is the biggest chunk of your credit score, improve your utilization, which is 30%, and your age of credit, which is 15%, and your mix of credit, which is 10%. And this causes no hard inquiry and no credit check. So if you guys want to sign up, I'll leave the link in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. If you have any questions, make sure you drop them in the comment section. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.